as my group to consisting of I am Muhammad Fadil.
I am Nabawi Kitano.
I am Putri Hardianti.
I am Falwa Ananda.
I am Khalifah Tun'Nikmah.
In this video, we will make a device called a security alarm. This tool serves to detect theft in a house or building.
The security alarm belongs to a closed electrical circuit. A closed circuit is an electrical circuit consisting of a voltage source and a load connected to a conductor that generates an electric current. In the security alarm project that we will make using tools and materials are solder, laser, LDR, LED, resistor, transistor, switch, buzzer, cardboard, tin, cable, battery, and glue.
Okay, the next step is to assemble all the electronic components that we will use in this project.
The next step is soldering. We solder the collector leg on the transistor with the positive leg of the LED, then the negative leg of the LED with the transistor, then the base leg and the emitter leg on the transistor. We solder on both LDR legs. We solder the resistor leg to the base leg of the transistor and the LDR. Then we solder the red positive buzzer wheel to the negative leg of the LED and the resistor. Then we solder the negative black buzzer wheel to the positive leg of the LED of the LED and the collector leg of the transistor. Then the negative black wire to our battery solder on the LDR leg with the positive red wire of the battery we solder on the negative flag of the LED.
Next, then glue the resistor battery in twist to the cardboard using glue. Next, we tested the circuit by turning on the light amplification by stimulate emission of radiance laser. When the laser hit light-dependent resistor LDR, the buzzer will not sound. But if there is no light from the laser, then the buzzer will sound.
The working principle of the security sensor is to detect the shadow of someone who blocks the light from the laser to direct the LDR, so that the alarm will sound through the buzzer. The security alarm is beneficial for shielding the occurrence of theft.
Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi